The God and Goddess Meru have their focus at Lake Titicaca. The terms God and Goddess denote that they are cosmic beings who ensoul the God consciousness of their office. God Meru has explained that the names God and Goddess Meru have come down from ancient Lemuria, where their twin flames guarded the light of the motherland. The physical focus of the mother flame was lost when Lemuria sank beneath the Pacific. That was the most ancient continent that we are aware of, though there are civilizations that predate Lemuria. The God and Goddess Meru have enshrined the mother flame at their retreat on the etheric plane to make up for the loss of the focus of the mother flame on Lemuria. This vast retreat, the Temple of Illumination, is located over Lake Titicaca, high in the Andes Mountains on the Peru-Bolivia border. At this retreat, the God and Goddess Meru focused the feminine ray of the Godhead for the planet, just as Himalaya focuses the masculine ray in the Himalayas. The center of the retreat is directly over the remains of an ancient temple on the island of the sun. Jesus, Mother Mary, and many saints have studied in this retreat. In a dictation given December 22nd, 1973, Goddess Meru invited us to make the call to hear the lectures she and the God Meru have given at their retreat. She said of the many lectures and addresses which the God Meru and I have given before the multitudes on the etheric plane, there are specific ones that may be heard by you if you but make the call and the attunement. It is as though you were to take a tape recording of one of your messenger's lectures and play it back. So you can, by tuning in to our retreat, receive these lectures. And therefore our message to you can be an unending one. For if you so desire, all through your life, and if you make the invocation each day, you can be receiving the words of the God and Goddess Meru into your etheric body. Your outer mind may not have the full awareness of these teachings, but step by step as you rise higher, you will have that awareness of the mind that was also in Christ Jesus. And you will know because you are known of God. You will know because the known laws of God are anchored within your force field, within your consciousness, being, and world. This is a sacred opportunity, one that ought not to be taken lightly or forgotten. May I suggest then that you make note of this dispensation, and that each night before retiring and each morning before getting out of bed, you remember to make the call for the continuing release of wisdom from the heart of the God and Goddess Meru.